Let's dive right into the video, featuring the remarkable M3 Amphibious Rig, a self-propelled bridging vehicle designed to facilitate the movement of tanks and other vehicles across water obstacles. Operating as a 4x4 wheel device, it excels in navigating challenging terrains and roads at a speed of 80 km per hour. Its versatility extends to water tasks thanks to two large aluminum pontoons deployable along its hull. To control these pontoons, the operator can conveniently exit the vehicle cab and use the controls situated on top of the hull. Propelled and steered by two fully traversable pump jets, the M3 achieves speeds of up to 14 miles per hour in water. On a grand scale, the Liebherr P995 stands as a robust and substantial machine widely employed in mining and construction. Weighing in at 439,000 pounds, its formidable 1,750 kilowatts or 2,346 horsepower engine output enables it to tackle a spectrum of tasks, from digging and excavating to lifting and moving heavy items. The P995's backhoe bucket, boasting a capacity of 11.12 to 32.7 cubic yards, accommodates various materials, including soil and large bulkers. Renowned for its longevity and dependable performance, this machine is a trustworthy option for demanding work in the construction and mining industries. In February 2020, a team faced the challenge of clearing a swampy region near a river to build a bridge while respecting nesting birds. The conventional approach, involving regular excavators, trucks, and a crane, would have taken 5 days. Opting for efficiency and cost-effectiveness, the team turned to the big Float E15, an amphibious excavator that seamlessly operates on both land and water. Equipped with a tilt and rotating head, along with grapple attachments, it effectively cleared seeds and bushes with minimal environmental impact. The project was completed faster and more economically, eliminating the need for steel plates and underscoring the advantages of amphibious excavators in tackling challenging construction projects. Your appreciation means a lot to us, as we've put in considerable effort to create this engaging and informative content for you. Please do not overlook our hard work. Please take a moment to show your support by liking this video, sharing your thoughts in the comments section, and subscribing to our channel. Make sure to watch the entire video for a complete experience. Thank you for being a part of our community. Meet the Liebherr MK88, a mobile construction crane meticulously designed for efficiency and adaptability in urban environments. Its compact and agile build allows seamless navigation in tight spaces, enabling swift and efficient operations. Widely utilized as a taxi crane, it boasts short-term hauling capabilities for diverse applications. Compliant with EN 14439 standards, the MK88 sets the bar for safety and performance in the industry. With a maximum lifting capacity of 17,900 pounds, a maximum radius of 4,850 pounds, and a hook height of 99 feet. Its left jib position can be adjusted to 3 different angles: 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees, ensuring adaptability for various tasks. A reliable and efficient construction crane, the MK88 is well suited for a wide range of applications. Let's focus on the Drumcutter DC2000, a cutting-edge piece of equipment tailored for the construction industry. Boasting a 720mm diameter cutter head and a carrying device with a range of 20 to 35, this machine is equipped with 120 kilowatts driving power, making it adept at handling the most challenging construction tasks efficiently. With a torque output of 17.5 Newton-meter, it provides the strength and precision required for tackling tough materials. Weighing in at 2,000 kilograms and built to withstand harsh construction site conditions, the Drumcutter DC2000 ensures reliable and cost-effective cutting services, establishing itself as a vital tool in the building sector for years to come. Introducing the GXT2555R, a 25.6-ton mobile shear designed to enhance the efficiency of processing steel and other materials in scrap and demolition applications. Despite its compact and lighter build compared to other shears, this machine packs a punch with high power delivery. Notable features include a bolt-on piercing tip that covers the front of the upper jaw, reducing the risk of damage and minimizing welding buildup and downtime. The design incorporates short primary cutting blades, positioning the apex closer to the rear of the jaws, allowing the machine to draw material further in for efficient cuts. Its lower shear height also improves operator visibility during operations. Now turning our attention to the continuous miner Kamatsu Jo 412 CM12, boasting an 818 horsepower engine, this machine is well equipped to handle the most demanding tasks. Its versatility shines through as it efficiently manages a variety of materials, thanks to a cutting height ranging from 145 to 181 inches. With a solid head cutting system and a 38-inch conveyor width, it delivers exceptional performance. Specifically tailored for mid to high seam standard WID entry applications, its high-performance engine ensures maximum efficiency and reliability, guaranteeing swift and effective job completion. Incorporating the latest technologies, this machine is designed to provide outstanding productivity, even in challenging circumstances. Developed by DARPA at a 1:5 scale, this amphibious vehicle showcases the potential to transport standard 20 or 40-foot containers without relying on a harbor. Its key advantage lies in its ability to traverse water, thanks to air-filled pontoons attached to the tracks. This makes CAAT an ideal option for transporting containers to locations where traditional transportation methods face limitations. Shifting gears to the folding trailer crafted by MOBAS, this innovative machine has left a significant impact on the wood industry, transcending national borders. Examining its key features reveals its intentional design for versatility. Notably, it can be hydraulically loaded onto the towing vehicle, reducing LSV fees. Consequently, only the towing vehicle is taxed when moving empty, enhancing traction and overall manageability. The machine comes in various variants, catering to the diverse needs of operators and different work sites, showcasing its adaptability and practicality. The Rapid Rex Twister stands out as a versatile and reliable piece of machinery, proving its worth across various applications. Its standout feature is its remarkable capability to operate securely and productively on slopes with gradients of up to 120 degrees, a key element contributing to its success. The hydrostatic drive, allowing seamless forward and reverse travel adjustments, enhances flexibility and control, enabling operators to effortlessly maneuver the machine in any direction. The active handlebar steering ensures precise and effortless control, whether in confined spaces or challenging terrain. Adding to its prowess, the Rapid Rex Twister guarantees maximum traction by driving both wheels in all situations. This feature delivers superior stability and grip, allowing the machine to perform effectively in various conditions. Its low overall weight ensures minimal ground impact during operation, making it an environmentally friendly choice, especially for sensitive areas. Enter the world of precision, trenching with the KTR chain trencher, a machine meticulously designed to create trenches with flawless profiles and widths ranging from 17 to 45 centimeters and a maximum depth of 1.8 meter. Operators can tailor the cutting chain width based on the task at hand, and the KTR is supported as it descends to the desired cutting depth before initiating the trenching operation, ensuring precision and efficiency in trench creation. In the realm of adaptable demolition tools, the Brock 90 takes center stage. This compact demolition tool stands out and is tailored for use in small spaces within residential, commercial, and industrial settings, where load restrictions on floors may apply. With its small size, straightforward operation, and potent tools, the Brock 90 is easily transportable in a small truck or trailer and can navigate between floors using stairs or an elevator. Additionally, it can be swiftly plugged in, ready to work immediately, and provides electricity as needed. The Brock 90's capability for light and medium-duty demolition operations across various industries makes it a standout choice in the world of demolition. Promoting sanitation excellence, the Street Cleaner is a game-changing attachment designed for the multi-hog tractor. Armed with a powerful scrubber deck and pressure washer combination, it excels in cleaning tasks. Ideal for sidewalks, car parks, and more, it finds frequent use when comprehensive cleaning is required for municipal or facility fleets. In road maintenance, efficiently removing vegetation strips from gravel roadways is crucial for water flow. The SBV plate compactor and Steer SUG 35 system prove instrumental in cost-effective and regular maintenance. This mechanism allows for lateral adjustment, trench tightening, and banquet cutting on the valley side, ensuring optimal drainage and preserving the longevity of gravel roads.